Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you a very significant bullish move that the Ethereum is making at this time. And after this move, you will never regret to buy this coin. But before starting the video, I would like to give you some recap for the people who are not following my videos and the analysis on Ethereum. That first, I posted this chart in the month of March, when the Ethereum coin completed the final leg of the bullish garlic pattern, same as like the Bitcoin completed the garlic pattern in the month of April. I also posted the video and the chart on the Bitcoin as well. And at that time, the price action was moving in this potential reversal zone, and I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action has turned very strong bullish. So far, it has produced more than 100% bullish rally, and I'm expecting that soon it can also hit this level, that is 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And after that, I posted another in my previous video. I posted this chart and I shared with you in my previous video that the Ethereum was hitting at the resistance of this descending triangle. And at that time, we had the stochastic bullish, but the MACD was turning weak bullish. So we are having two kind of signals, like we are having the bullish signals by the stochastic, but the MACD was turning bearish. But if we move to the live chart, then at this time, the Ethereum price action is likely to break out this resistance of the triangle. We have a very strong bullish candlestick that is trying to break out this resistance. And if we again watch these indicators, the MACD was bearish at that time when I posted my previous video. You can see that it was turning bearish. It was weak bullish. And at this time, it is again turned strong bullish from weak bullish. And in the meanwhile, this stochastic also gave the bear cross, this blue line cross down this red line. And now the stochastic has given us fresh bullish signal while the price action is trying to break out this resistance of this descending triangle, and the momentum is already bullish. You can see that the momentum was continuously bullish. It was ignoring the signals, the bearish signals of the MACD and the stochastic, because the stochastic was also turned weak bullish. It was turned bearish in previous days. So we can expect that this is really very good gesture by the price action, that while the price action was at the resistance and the indicator was turning bearish, and now they are turned strong bullish. So these indicators can be really, really helpful for the price line to break out this resistance of this descending triangle. And if we watch on the daily chart, the small time period chart, then the price action is still moving in this up channel. And here for some time, the price action broke down this support of the channel. And if we want the different indicators, for example, this is the MACD, this is stochastic, and this is the momentum indicator, as I have placed in my previous chart, same as like that I have placed here, then we can see that when the price action broke down this support of the channel here, on the very next candlestick, this MACD was turned weak bearish. So it was giving signals that it will be turned bullish again. And after that, we can see that it was turned strong bullish. And the stochastic also gave us the bull cross from the bear cross. Therefore, the price action again entered in this channel. And at this time, the price line is at the resistance of the channel. And this new full moon is appeared above the channel resistance. Therefore, we can expect maybe the price line will be reached up to this level. The price line will hit a spike up to this level, or maybe the price line will break out this resistance of the channel. But if the price action will not break out or break down the resistance of the channel, in fact, it is moving in an up channel, the price level will be increased with the movement of the price action. So we can expect that, for example, if the price line will be still moving within this channel, then the price of the Ethereum eventually will be increased. And if we watch on this 2-day chart, then we can observe the different support and resistance levels. In my previous video, we have seen that the price line was retesting the previous support at $225. After that, we had the support of $150. And our last support is at $115. And now the price line is turned very strong bullish, and at this time it is trying to break out the next resistance level at $280, and after that we have $310 resistance level. Now, if we want the simple moving averages on the daily chart, then previously this 25 simple moving average crossed down this 50 simple moving average. Therefore, we have seen some bearish rally, and after that, finally this 25 simple moving average has again crossed up this 50 simple moving average. Now we have the smallest time period moving average above all, then 50, then 100, and then 200. And this is the ideal situation by these simple moving averages, because now we have a complete formation of an opened alligator mouth by the simple moving averages, and now these moving averages can lift the price action more up. Now let me to take you to the chart that I want to show you is this move by the price line of the Ethereum, that the price action of Ethereum is at this time breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud on the weekly long-term chart. For example, in my previous videos, I've been sharing this move by, of the Ethereum price action, and this was a chart that I shared with you in some of my previous videos as well. At that time, the price action was, after several attempts, again trying to break out this cloud. And I'm just playing this chart. At this time, the price line is trying to cross up this cloud. Let me take you to the live chart. At this time, you can see that the price line is crossing up this cloud. We have the conversion line above the baseline and this lagging span above the price action. At this time, the price this lagging span is also crossing up this Ichimoku cloud. That is also another very powerful bullish signal, and this Ichimoku cloud is turned strong bullish. So once the price action will completely cross up this cloud, you will never regret to buy this coin, because after that it will become a very strong support for the Ethereum price action, as it has been working as a strong resistance. We can see that after July 2018, the price action broke down this cloud, and since then the price line never able to break out this cloud again, and at this time the price line is breaking out this cloud after a complete 2 years. So after that, we can expect that it will be working as a strong support, and we can expect another very long-term bullish move by the price line of Ethereum, as we have seen back in 2017 to 2018. So this was the update so far by the price action of Ethereum. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.